15th of the month is this Wednesday, and for tens of millions of parents nationwide, it has become a day to check their bank statement to make sure their monthly child tax credit went through. But as our Joe St. George explains, this week's payment may be the last, leaving a huge impact on your wallet.
It started in July and continues this week with another round of bank deposits set for the 15th. The expanded child tax credit has, for the last 6 months, given millions of eligible families $250 to $300 per month per child, depending on the child's age. Initial analysis shows the extra cash has lowered child poverty rates by around 40%.
But could December's expanded child tax credit payment be the last?
The answer is yes, it could. That's because the monthly expanded child tax credit is only law for 2021. 2022 is still a question mark. The Build Back Better bill, which the Senate is continuing to negotiate this week, would expand it for another year. But the future of that bill is very much unclear. That's because the Senate is split 50-50. In order for this to pass, every Democrat will need to back it, and the vice president will need to break the tie since all Republicans are opposed. Right now, though, not every Democrat is on board. One of those undecided Democrats is Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia. In addition to expressing his doubts about the overall spending in the bill, he has also previously said this year's expanded child tax credit was too generous and that he would like some changes. For example, Manchin has said he would like a work requirement for parents to receive it. Right now, that does not exist. If this week is indeed the final expanded child tax credit, it doesn't mean the entire child tax credit would go away. The IRS would revert back to the previous, smaller tax credit that would be issued once a year. How big of a change would that be? The left-leaning Center on Budget and Policy Priorities says a single mom of two working a part-time job earning around $12,500 a year currently gets around $550 a month. The previous child tax credit only gives her $1,500 for the entire year. In Washington, I'm Joe St. George.